How to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, open up Messenger in your device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you get to this chat page, navigate to top left corner, then tap on three-line icon. From this drop-down menu, tap on the gear icon from the right corner at the top. Here scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. And under this Privacy and Safety, there you'll find end-to-end encrypted chat in Security section. Tap on it. Now from this page, tap on Security Alerts. Then tap on View All Logins. Here, you will be able to view all the logins where these logins can send and receive end-to-end encrypted messages or calls. Now to remove that, select any device that you would like to remove the end-to-end encryption from. Tap on it and you'll get login info. Now scroll down in this drop-down box, there you'll find logout option, tap on it. And then tap on logout. If you tap on logout, the end-to-end encrypted message will no longer be sent to that account. So that's how you can remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.